Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just going through a few of the DMs and comments from you guys on the last few videos of mine regarding NEET preparation in this last 5 to 6 months and how to complete all the subjects and all. So this video is for those who are interns, who are associated with some or the other jobs, maybe at a clinic or somewhere, and you are not able to give 6 to 8 hours of your day to your NEET MDS study. So now how to cover the syllabus and how to prepare for NEET MDS when you are already working or when you are an intern, your internship is going on. So how to balance both these things. So guys, one thing is, whatever I'm gonna say in this video, I feel that somewhere you must be knowing, but my part is to encourage you to take the necessary steps towards your preparation. I hope this video remains helpful to you. Please let me know in the comment section that how you found this video, and please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe. So guys, the number one thing which you should focus on or you should manage is your time, right? So most of your daytime gets consumed in either your job or your internship, okay? So what you're left with is the evening part and the night part, or maybe early morning part, okay? So we can say that daily you should contribute 3 to 4 hours to your studies. I think this will be the maximum which you can give to your studies, okay? Now, this 3 to 4 hours could be a small break once you come home after your work or your internship, and then just keep your mind ready that I have to take a small break and then I'll get back to my study for 2 hours or so, have your dinner and then complete 1 or 2 hours of your study, or you can do 1 or 2 hours of study in the early morning and then start your day, and 2 hours of study before you sleep, okay? I think this is the maximum time which you can give to your studies. Now throughout the day, what you can do is your tip number 2. Now the second thing is energy, guys. You have to have some amount of energy, enthusiasm and that freshness into your brain when you are sitting for studying, okay? You have to do more in less amount of time. So do not waste your mind or do not waste your energy in unnecessary arguments with patients or with anyone throughout your day whenever it is possible, okay? When you are working, when you are dealing with many people, this thing is very mindful about it, and your focus and priority should be your preparation for the coming 5 months. This is for those who are interns and their internship is going on right now. So guys, whenever you get a chance, whenever you are into non-clinical postings, this is a very good time for you to study, okay? Take permission from your staff and invest this time in your study, okay? And throughout your clinical posting also, your MCQ book or even your notes should be there with you. Or even during your clinical postings, your MCQ book or your notes should be there with you, okay? Whenever you get that little chance of half an hour, 1 hour, just invest it into revising stuff, if not reading, okay? It shows the amount of dedication towards your study, okay? Such small efforts means a lot. It counts, okay? At the end, such small efforts do count. So do not miss any chance to take such small efforts. And according to DCI, 80% of attendance is necessary, okay? 75 or 80% attendance is necessary. So those 25% of your leaves, utilize it very correctly, very mindfully, okay? Those 25% of your attendance, you have to invest it into your NEET MDS preparation, okay? This you can do, and you cannot give any excuses. There are students, there are people who have managed to secure really good rank along with their internship, along with working 8 hours a day. So how do they manage it? They manage it like this only. So it is a doable task, okay? Do not give any excuses to yourself that this is happening, that is happening. You can do it, okay? So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. If you still have any queries, you can reach me on Instagram or you can write to me on my email address. All the contact details are in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.